Hi, my name is June Hahn. I'm an advisor on strategic leadership. My background is working globally with Accenture and Right Management. I've been a leader myself for the last 20 years and an entrepreneur starting up businesses. Today I work within 5 areas of leadership. One is, and I give speeches about them. One is change and change management. The other one is leadership trends. One is execution. One is motivation, and the last one is mergers and acquisitions. Let me just give you a few words on each of them. Change management, because that's an ever-growing part of the leadership job. It's so challenging. It's also rewarding when it's successful. There's so many theories in change management to integrate to make it practical for the change leader. I think that's a key point. Another one is leadership trends. Where's leadership heading towards? It gets more and more value-based, more and more people-centered, more and more into business psychology. It's a very exciting field. I think it's a good question to ask yourself: what kind of leader am I, and what kind of leader do I aspire to be? Then we have execution, the third area. I used to say that leadership is all about execution because the end goal of leadership is actually executing the strategy. That's a key point. But how can we learn to grow this golden ability in the organization to become better at execution, personally and within our teams? That's the core question. I work with mergers and acquisitions because that's the most challenging part of leadership. It's the hardest organization development that you can come across. The numbers speak for itself. IMD has done studies showing that the success rate is just about 50% only. But the area is well documented. There's a lot of research in the area, and there's many clear advice and do's and don'ts in the area. It will be good to know if you're going to enter an acquisition. I've worked with more than 15 personally. The last area I would mention here is motivation. It's such a powerful thing. There's tremendous potential here. Research shows that if you ask your employees, do we get everything out of you, or do you have more to give this organization? Only 15% would say yes. 85% would actually tell you that I have more to give to this organization. So the potential is tremendous. If you can unlock, if you have the knowledge of business psychology to unlock that structure, to put focus from employee satisfaction over to employee engagement, there's a tremendous, it's a golden opportunity for you. So these were the 5 areas that I feel strongly about and speak about, and I hope we'll have the chance to meet and debate and exchange views on that one day. Thank you.